Oh my goodness, that and that. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar and this is Frijoles Sabor. As you can see, it's really cold here in Kansas City. The temperature really dropped. We're expecting a big snowstorm, supposedly, I don't know, and we are just hours away from that. Before the snow gets in here, we're gonna do some cooking. Frijoles Rancheros or ranchero beans and potato tacos. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned, because this is gonna be really crazy and really good. It feels really good. It's nice and hot. We're gonna place this. You can find this one so warmer, you know. But I'm gonna show you how to make them from scratch. We don't put too much of it. Anyway, who's ready? Oh, never mind. So we pour half a bag, okay? And then we add some water. We'll throw some garlic in there. And we'll just fill it up with water. We want to let it set. We want to let it to let the beans kind of get a little softer. Okay. You get a better result when you're done. I like this because it's cold outside right now. It's a little cold outside, and when it's cold, I like, even though I got ice on this thing, I like to drink a little bit of Jameson. I like Jameson. That's my favorite drink. So. This one, this right here, this grill, I made this grill at the same time I made the frame, that table. That video's coming, so don't worry about it. That video's coming. We're gonna put it up. Some people's been telling me to fix the roof on my shed out there.
What you talking about, Willis?
That ain't mine. That's my neighbor's. We peel this. I like to peel these taters before I put them in water. So this is what I do. And what I do with this, the reason why I do this is because the potatoes will cook a lot faster. Like that. It has been really cold here in Kansas City. In the next few days we're expecting a heavy snow. It's a winter storm coming, heading right here to Kansas City. So we'll see how that goes. We're not gonna stop. I like one pound of bacon, and then we cut it on small pieces like this, just like that. Then we put it on our pan over there. Right here. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, not much. We got the bacon in there. We're going to start chopping up some. Yes, I know you may not like it, but this is how we do it. Because I put hot dogs on pretty much everything I like. But that's okay. I like them. To that, we're gonna add some chorizo, remember? Now, there's a reason why I got this one. It has more color, it's more rich in color, okay? That's the reason why I got this one. And for ranchero beans, this is perfect. Yes, it is getting a little late. Yes, we need to hurry up a little bit with this because it's getting late. But it smells so good in here. This is the best smell ever. So while this is cooking, with this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, just like this. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells great in here. That smell coming out of this is just perfect. This here, same thing, small little cubes. Small little cubes. You might not be able to tell, but it's getting dark right now. Let's throw this stuff in there. Our beans have been cooking for a while. They should be pretty much done by now. Yeah, the flavor and everything out of this is coming out. It's I mean, I can't explain it. It's really good. Perfect. Now this is what we call chicharrón, okay? And we make it like in small little pieces. Jameson is really good. It's cold. It's really cold right now, but we should be fine. Let's make throw that in there. Pour a little bit of oil, and this is how we want to make our red hot sauce. It is cold. We're gonna try to finish this. I don't know what the video is gonna look like, but we're gonna try to finish this the best we can. This here, this is a chili pepper. This is what we call chile de árbol. These things right here, they're really freaking hot. So if you're making salsa like this right here, this is all it takes. If you put any more in there, swallowing lava. Let's put it that way. So 3 pieces, that's all you want. Let's use tomatoes, onions, those 3 little red peppers, and salt and pepper. That's just about ready. Meantime, let's get another one of this. What kind of whiskey you guys like? Put it on the comments. What kind of whiskey you guys like, and do you drink it with soda or do you just drink it by itself? Put it on the comments. Okay. We throw a little peppers right here. Just a little bit more oil, just so we can just like that. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm gonna put another one just because I like a little spicy. I know this thing is gonna be like really hot, but that's okay. Some people will say, dude, you're Mexican, you're supposed to like really, really hot stuff. Listen, I'm a pussy when it comes to that, and I'm not afraid to say it. I think I'm gonna take this inside, put it on the blender, and get it all nice and mixed. Oh my God, look at this. Really, really good. Our salsa is made. Look at this. It's hot, and it's only those three little peppers, and it's fire. We're just waiting for those potatoes to be ready, and then we should be fine. This is like perfect, guys. Oh my God. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make mashed potatoes. That's basically what we're going to do with this. I'll put a little bit of some butter, put some garlic, black pepper, that's about right. We put a little bit of salt, and that's about right. So when people ask what do you put on those tacos, well, now you know. Back in the day they used to call it the poor man tacos. This is how we want to make those beautiful potato tacos, mashed potato tacos, whatever. One. And we want to make them just like this, every one of them. Every one of them, we just put that much in there like that. We do this, and then we just work it like that, and there's your taco. There's two sides to this tortilla, okay? So one side looks like this, okay? And that side has got some lines like this. This side right here, this is the outside. This side right here that is nice and puffy, that's the inside, okay? Just so you know. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this like this, like that. We just got a small piece of it, and then we just start cutting it like this. Nice and real fine pieces. Okay. Some people may not like this, but I guarantee you this is perfect. With these tacos, this is perfect. And then this right here, all it is mayonnaise and a little bit of milk. That's all it is. Let's put some of them. Mayonnaise and milk, which we made it like cream, just like that, just like that. A little bit of each one of them, like this. And pour some mustard, just a little bit. Depends on how much. All depends on how much you like mustard. We add salsa. There. Just like that. And look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Guys. Potato tacos. They are perfect. Oh my god, look at that. So good. Yes, I know what I say. It's too cold for one of these, but guess what? I'm gonna have one. Oh my goodness, look at that. You can see all this is because it's really, really cold right now. And this is gonna hit the spot. Oh my goodness, that and that, and then this. It's just perfect. Anything goes good with tortillas, and you can make tacos out of pretty much anything and everything, and it turns out good. Look at that. Well, guys, it is really cold in here. I'm gonna clean up and I'm going inside my house because it is really, really cold. So people, thank you so much for sticking around. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.